immediately after you register for Feng Shui 2026, you are going to get a portal that looks similar to this, where this is the homepage here with some suggestions, especially if this is your first time with me. And there are some pre-event homework with like basically step by step, right? So step one is to help you determine the period. I'm going to click, and there's a short training video there. And determining the facing. Again, I've got a couple of training videos here. How to use the compass to take your facing. You definitely want to make sure you do it right. There's the 24 mountain chart, and also step two, which is demarcating your layout. And I've got some video trainings here. In my Grandmaster's lineage, we do not demarcate the layout based on the 3x3 grid or even specifically the pie grid. I do use the pie grid as a backup, but definitely we don't use the 3x3 grid. Over here, how to make a salt cure, a permanent one, as well as a movable instruction and how to safely dispose your salt cure. Once you know where to place your remedies, your next step is to then know where are the auspicious energies for you to activate, right? First, you minimize the not so good energies, then you need to know how to increase the good energies in your home. Over here, now you have the downloadables. We have the 24 mountain compass that you can download, and I'll put on the screen a copy of how it looks like. And there's the Feng Shui 2026 workbook, which is going to be your playbook on how you do Feng Shui for the year, as well as the Feng Shui and astrology calendar. And I've got basic Chinese date selection trainings to go with that. And over here, you get the replays. Just like how for every pre-event homework, I have a replay that coincides with that. So there's a replay on determining the facing. This alone is 2.5 hours. The demarcating layout is almost 3-hour workshop. The main event itself, I believe this is 2.5 hours, a little over. And then this one is 2 hours. So almost 5 hours of training for the main event. And then the date selection workshop, this one, if you're in general registration, it's just a little bit over 2 hours. And if you registered during Fast Action Bonus, I have a special date selection workshop here, and that's another almost 4-hour workshop if you're in the Fast Action. And then if you register with Fast Action, you get a more special calendar to go along with that. You don't just get this, even with all the downloadables, even with all the workshops. I don't want to leave you to have to figure this out on your own, especially everyone's got different layouts, right? Different layouts, different facings, different situations. So this is the private Facebook group where people post their layout with their questions, and we go through them. So this is what you get when you register for Feng Shui 2026. And I really hope to see you in here so we in the portal as well as in the private Facebook group so we can support you further.